Hello and welcome to the Titan Training Center. In this module, I'm going to show you how to service the fluid section of your Impact 440. First, loosen and remove the 4 front cover screws, and then remove the front cover. Remove the 2 motor shroud screws to remove the shroud and gain access to the motor fan. Make sure the piston is in the lowest position by manually spinning the fan on the rear of the unit. Then, perform the pressure relief procedure and unplug the sprayer. Next, unscrew the return hose assembly from the pump block. Then, remove the retaining clip from the bottom of the foot valve housing and remove the siphon assembly. Tilt the unit back to remove the 2 hex screws holding the block onto the pump. Place the pump back down and use a flathead screwdriver to help separate the block from the gear housing. Thanks for watching the Impact 440 fluid section removal video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.